got? Hey, it's Uganda Knuckles here, and we have my friend Tobias slash Nature Man. Me and Mr. Tobias are going to do a tutorial on how to play Bed Wars. So, the whole thing that you have to do in Bed Wars is protect your bed, right? Yeah. So basically, how you protect your bed is stand here and make sure no one comes near it. Right? That's exactly how you do. And then this guy's going to the middle. That's wrong. You shouldn't go to the middle. The middle is where you have most of the bad things, remember? Like the middle finger, the middle island, you know what I'm saying, right? Like, middle means middle finger. This guy's doing idiotic stuff. We need to kill him. We literally need to kill him. Can you kill him for me, please?
I'm trying to, you won't stop moving.
Oh, and this is and if you want to protect your bed with blocks, this is how you do it. It's protected now. See nature? I protected the bed. Protected the bed. What? What? I protected the bed.
What are you doing here?
What? I protected the bed. I protected the bed. What? You said protect the... So, some people like protecting beds with blocks. So I'm showing them how to protect the bed with blocks. Is that not how you protect the bed?
No. Look, someone's showing you the real way how to protect the bed.
Someone's tickling me. Someone's tickling me. Oh, and if you want to knock back someone, just hit them with their fist. Slap them. Just slap them.
How you tap on the thing, you just tap the screen. It's really easy. Just do this.
If someone makes you mad, just slap them. Just smack them or slap them. You know?
Some guy went for a swim in the void.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to fight. Everyone.
You run.
So first, you go up to someone, right? This guy's shooting an arrow at me, so first, you hit him, right? Right? You keep hitting him. And then, apparently, he's gonna rage, eventually. Let's ignore that. Let's pretend that my teammate never did that. You know, let's ignore that.
Oh my lord, I wish, like, if we did, then...
Let's just ignore that. You know. Now I'm gonna show you how to get the bed. So if you're cheap, then you're gonna use your hands. If you're smart, then you're gonna use your sword, obviously. And if you're just dumb, then you're gonna use a safety slime. I don't know what I was gonna say. Pretend I was gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna use this wooden axe that I got for no reason. You know. Hey, get out of me. Hey, get out. Oh, and that's how you self-defend yourself. Let's also pretend that didn't happen. Okay. Now that we have done all that, let me show you how to get materials. So the first thing you want to do is you see that chest thing? You have to press that chest, and then you have to spam all of your keys, and then eventually you get materials. Because you know this thing just gives out mustard and like oil, you know, mustard and oil. No one likes mustard or oil. No one likes mustard oil either. Do they?
I don't know. Not one. I eat mustard with...
So what should we do now? What?
Try and kill guys who kill first aid.
What other tutorial should we do? Hmm. What else should we help people with? Oh, how to protect yourself. So the best way to protect yourself is run. Look, let me show you. So basically, imagine you're like,
You got that rat running.
yeah, that's what you do. Just do that. They'll never catch you. They'll never catch you now. So this is what you do. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Nature Man died. Okay.
Well, I'm right here. You're only
So
dying.
let me just go to green team, right? Just to piss them off. Let me just screw with them. Let me just screw with green team. Hey, green team. Hey, stinky face. Hey, Marlon Custodio. Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? What you doing, boy? What you doing? So now,
It's just you and me now.
so now you gonna fight me, right? So now I'm just gonna have to run away, and then if it's an emergency, then just do this. That's what you do in case of an emergency.
Bruh.
What? It's a good strategy. They don't get your stuff, plus you die. From the void. And the void is always your friend. Right?
You're fine.
What?
You're fine.
I think he says he's raging. I don't know. I think he got mad at me for no reason.
I keep drinking.
Oi, mate. Oi, mate. Get out my way. Get my way. Now I'm gonna show you how to get a bed. For real this time.
You just go to Walmart and buy one. It's kind of cheap.
Oi, I got the bed. I got the bed.
Hello.
Hopefully this tutorial is very useful to you guys. Because it was very useful to me. Oh, and please vote me for president. Because in Blockman Go there's an event where you have to pick someone as president, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know. You know what I'm saying.
I'm a Democrat.
Ugandan Knuckles for president. Imagine that.
Who wants to chat?
I can imagine it everywhere. I can imagine it everywhere. On iTunes, on Musically, on TikTok. Ugandan Knuckles for president. What did you say? I might as well slap this guy because he's getting on my nerve. Why did he kill me? Thought we were friends. Might as well use this mustard oil. No one likes it anyways. You got any mustard I can borrow?
No.
Really? I need some mustard. This guy has a mustard sword. I don't know why. But somehow he killed me with it. What are you doing? It sounds like you're in a forest or something. I don't know. Like, oh, I can see him. He's building to our base. He is building to our base. Hey, Natural. He's building to our base. Natural, he is literally building to our base. We need to save our base, Natural.
Where is he?
He's building to our base. Are you blind? You blind, my dude? Like, you blind? Like, you mentally ill?
Daddy.
You blind?
Daddy, can you adopt me? I have no family.
Oh. My bad.
I'm in
My bad. You must be depressed. Oh, wait. And here's how you troll someone. Wait. Let him come to me. Let him come to me. Wait, you stay back, nature. Let him come to me.
What?
Screw you. How dare you try that with me?
Bye.
Bye, have a good time. Ay, he has a diamond sword, he has a diamond sword, he has a diamond sword! And that is how we win. See, I won the game. I'm in heaven.
You're in it.
What? I'm in heaven. That's how you win. You go to heaven. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. This is how you play Bed Wars. Please like and subscribe to my tutorial.
We'll come up with the next video. We'll be making the next video, so please wait. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, goodbye.